So the most important thing for students to know about Tourette's syndrome is, first of all, what it is.
I think from my research, Tourette's is it's like a neurological condition that there still is not many answers on how a person gets diagnosed with Tourette's. There's still no, I think, guaranteed study, or just there's no study that says, you get this and this happens. It's just there is some connection, they say, to family genetics, but that I think that the big scientific term is that it's a neurological disease. Just means it's part of our our thoughts and just how our brain operates, and it's a condition that kind of hijacks individual's brain a little bit from them, and so makes them again either physically or vocally repeat things outside of their control.
Second of all, I want them to know that it is highly inappropriate for students to pick on someone with Tourette's because they simply can't control their behavior. And then finally, the last thing would be how to respond to someone with Tourette's syndrome, which would be just ignore it. I talked with one of our students who does have Tourette's here at Cedar Crest, and I asked her, what would you want them to do? And she said, just simply ignore it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go one step further, and you could you could become friends with someone who has Tourette's syndrome because truly they feel isolated all of the time. People
should respond to Tourette's with empathy. Individuals who are navigating that different syndrome, it's an uncontrollable thing, and so it can seem like purposeful, or some people might be confused, why are these things happening? But I just think just to get out there, just to be empathetic towards individuals who are experiencing that, because it's something that they're not trying to do on purpose.
It's not about one student. It really is about all students with Tourette's, whether it's mild, whether it's complex. It's about just understanding Tourette's syndrome in general, and and the students that have it that might not be as vocal, but still get picked on. So I just want a more awareness of this syndrome, and just in general,